How to apply for a skilled worker visa in the UK. The UK skilled worker visa is a popular visa that enables highly skilled workers to come and work in the UK. Eligibility criteria for skilled worker visa UK. In order to be eligible for the skilled worker visa in the UK, there are certain requirements that must be met. These requirements include age, qualifications and skills, job offer from a UK employer, English language requirement, financial requirement, and criminal record requirement. Skilled worker visa requirements. In order to qualify for a skilled worker visa in the UK, you must meet a number of criteria, including the following. 1. Skilled worker eligible occupations. 2. Skilled worker skill requirement. 3. Skilled worker minimum salary requirement. 4. English language requirement. 5. Certificate of sponsorship requirement. 6. Financial maintenance requirement. Application process for skilled worker visa UK. The application process is straightforward, but there are a few steps to follow and documents to prepare. Firstly, prepare necessary documents, then you fill out online application, pay application fees, and lastly attend visa interview. Advantages of skilled worker visa UK. One of the main benefits of the skilled worker visa is that it allows you to have long-term residency in the UK. Another advantage of the skilled worker visa is that it gives you the opportunity to settle in the UK permanently. A skilled worker visa also gives you the right to work in the UK while you are in the country on this type of visa. The skilled worker visa also provides access to healthcare and social services while you are living and working in the UK. The cost of a skilled worker visa in the UK, depending on your situation, the fees required to obtain a skilled worker visa range from £625 to £1,423. How we can help. CGM app is an end-to-end immigration app, designed to make immigration and global mobility seamless. It is designed specifically for expats, sponsoring companies, and immigration consultants, globally. Visit cgmpartners.org.uk/register for more information.